Let's start managing business outcomes with evidence-based agility in 5 minutes or less. Imagine you work for a company called Piranha Foods. It's like a combination between Instacart and DoorDash. One-stop shop to get your food delivery from restaurants and your grocery delivery right to your doorstep. Ideal customer is Vince. Busy dad has a child who's too young to be vaccinated, and Vince has two priorities in life. He wants to minimize any unnecessary exposure to coronavirus for his child, and he wants to maximize quality time spent with his family. This is the reason he spends about $700 a month with deliveries, $300 for food delivery, $400 for grocery delivery. As a product owner or agile product manager for Piranha Foods, your goal for this year is that you want to get 100% of the delivery spend of about 1,000 customers like Vince. So your target monthly revenue is $700,000. Target annual revenue is $8.4 million. You're using a framework of evidence-based management that is a slightly modified version of the framework offered by scrum.org. So you have 4 dimensions: value, quality, delivery, and culture. Now, the problem is, although you bind to the theory of evidence-based management, you are paralyzed. You don't know where to get started. And so you are using a product called Dente, which claims to help you get started with evidence-based agility in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so let's log in. Let's create our product. Call it Piranha Foods. We'll copy our product vision. We are focusing on maximizing value. Right now, the lag indicator is revenue. We want to go from 0 to $8.4 million. Let's say financial year starts in July, ends in June. For now, we will choose the same planning horizon. Now let's start choosing our metrics. So for value, we are interested in the budget, we are interested in customer satisfaction, and we are interested in revenue. For quality, we are interested in production defects. For delivery, we are interested in feature cycle time. For culture, we want to improve employee satisfaction. Although we have the ability to have different scoreboards for different roles, right now, at this point, we are choosing to have the exact same scoreboard for all roles. Setting some targets. Let's say our payroll, monthly payroll for our Agile team is $50,000. And we want an 80-20 split between CapEx and OpEx. So CapEx, monthly CapEx is about $40,000. Monthly OpEx is $10,000. Customer sat, we want to go from 3 to 8. We've got a lot of defects. We want to go down, let's say, from 200 to 25. Cycle time, it takes about 6 months to get anything to the market. We want to bring it down to 30 days. And employee sat, we want to go from 3 to 8. Just make sure all the targets are as expected, and we are done. So now we have a scoreboard of lead and lag indicators. The ultimate lag is revenue, $8.4 million. We can keep an eye on the target budget. We have visualized target customer satisfaction, defects, cycle time, and employee satisfaction. So the goal of this approach is just so that we enable the right interactions between the right individuals at the right cadence. Ultimately, processes and tools are really flawed ideas that can help human beings have constructive conversations with each other. A lot of our clients believe in the theory of evidence-based agility, but they are paralyzed by bureaucracy, conflicts, or just the sheer complexity of getting started. And we are hoping that no matter what approach you may choose, that you will set a challenge for yourself to shift from unhealthy interactions or analysis paralysis to constructive interactions between passionate, well-meaning individuals in 5 minutes or less. So this is how we get started with managing outcomes in 5 minutes or less. If it resonated with you, plenty more ideas on our website, smoothapps.com. Follow our YouTube channel, join our Meetup Agile DevOps TFW, and follow us on LinkedIn. If you think we can help you, give us a call. Until our next conversation, thank you, keep calm, and scrum on.